Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone tying together 3 hoops, adding in some rope. Oh, she made a nice little hanging shelf for her planter, very cool. Now this is a pretty easy, simple DIY, nothing too complicated there. And then we have someone taking some of those wooden balls. Now these are actually bigger than the ones that I'm used to seeing. And there's a couple of different projects that you can use with these items. And it looks like she is making a candle holder with this. You could also spray paint it too if you wanted to. I think that would be really pretty. Oh, wow. So this person is using some shells, some peanut shells for this project. So they're placing the shells around this hoop that they have. Oh, wow, yeah, several different ways you can play around with that. That's really cool. I think this next project is going to be of a table. Maybe some type of side table, coffee table design. Oh yeah, it looks like she might be making like an end table or console table, some kind of table. Definitely a table. Now whenever I see these videos, I'm like, this looks easy to create, but I'm sure it is intense and difficult to do. Definitely not something you'd be able to do in one day. Wow, love this. I love her style, her aesthetic. She's like the modern feel to her home. Wow, this came out amazing. If the legs were shorter, that would actually make a really cool bench too. Let's mix some scrap clay from our fruit pieces. Never throw away your scrap clay. No, I don't work with clay, but she's right. You can always repurpose it into something else. So then we have a mushroom ottoman. As you guys know, the mushroom trend is all over TikTok right now. Oh, so she basically just added some fabric to an old ottoman. Love that idea. Looks like she has some cutting boards here, some foam. Oh, that's cute. Looks very comfortable too. She made 2 of them. Dollar Tree DIY. So it looks like some type of candle holders, and they're just simply painting them white and black. Simple, easy DIY. Oh, wow, they're really adding some elements to this, huh? Okay, that looks nice. Tea light holders. Option 1. I think I like option 1. I like option 1 better, because you can just put your candle right on there and just leave it there. It looks more high-end to me. So here we have some type of mirror DIY. Oh, it looks like she wants to do like the wavy mirror trend. So I'm assuming this person probably bought like a thrifted mirror Not sure what this material that she's using is though. So she's placing this around the edges. That's a pretty simple way to do this project. It seemed like it would be easier than like cutting wood. However, I do not know the name of this material, so I will say that. And it does look like she's having quite a difficult time working with it. It came out cute though. I love the little disco ball she has hanging up too. I wonder if she made that as well. Then we have craft wood from the dollar store. She's gluing on these little mosaic mirror tiles on there. Looks very high-end and expensive. Even though she got it off Amazon, it just looks expensive. Adding in the glass piece, so obviously she's making like some type of wall sconces. Puck lights. Oh, they have puck lights at the dollar store? I did not know that. Okay, I think she could have kept the little chandelier pieces, but this is really pretty. Gorgeous. And it looks like someone's baking some clay here. Oh, they're doing like a moss statue head with mushrooms. Oh, that's cute. Very trendy too. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.